Hala, makasakay kaya tayo dyan? Na.
I don't know if this will fit.
Yeah.
I don't think this will fit, Mahan.
Na. Nakichismis sila sa Shibuya Crossing, guys. We're back in Shibuya. Look at that. Let's go, my love. Oh, makikita natin ang Shibuya at night, everyone. You see that? All the lights in the world. Alam nyo, nasabi ko na siguro to sa last na vlog. Pero mas na-appreciate ko po ang lugar sa gabi. Lalo na yung grabe ang mga mga pailaw. Ang mister ko nawawala. There is my husband. You see that? That's mine. And then, where are we going now? The conveyor sushi. We're going to eat there. Trending sa TikTok.
Going to try.
Yeah, we're going to try. Kay palagi talaga yan na mahaba ang pila no pag yung mga trending. Saan? There?
Go there and then we go left.
Okay. Laban lang sa mga tao dito na para na naman tayong mga langgam. Wow.
But it's very near this road, so.
Oh, this road.
I really
Okay.
hope we can get the seat.
Yeah. Grabe, guys. Look at sibuyas. Kamatis, bawang at luya. So, muy palaboy. Do you like the place? I really love the place. Another Yoshinoya. Kantahan mo daw kami, be. Tong-tong pakitong-kitong sa Japan. Hello? Ano man ni siya? Itiaw.
You're so mean to me in the car.
Lala. Look, Mario Kart, baby love. Oh, malapitan na Mario Kart, guys. Oh. Another Uniqlo. Hindi tayo problema kung puno doon kay maraming kainan dito, guys. Oh. Dito. Kabango. Super smelling good. Hanapin natin yung conveyor sushi. What is this? Wine and tapas. Wow. What? Hoy, we go there. Gusto ko bilihan si Itay ba ng masarap na sake.
Here.
Here? Where? Sushi? Here? Okay, let's go inside. Sushi! Wow! We're going here. Not bad ang pila, guys. We're here. 17. So, ganito po siya. Mag-order tayo dito sa TV nila. We order here, my love. Baby love, mainit yan. We order here.
Water.
You want water? Wait lang, ha? Kadaming arte nito, guys. Uy, mas gusto ko yung mag-ikot-ikot lang ang ang sushi. Tapos ikaw na lang magkuha. Dessert, alcohol. Ka-order na po kami. Look at that. Hintayin na lang natin. I also want the soup. That one, oh.
Order and then
looks nice.
and
then you place the order. Wow, kakaibang experience na naman ito, guys. Ginagawa natin dito sa buhay natin. You know, doing this, I like the one that they're making it and then you just get...
just grab.
Yeah. Ito kasi order pa.
It's too much work.
Yeah, too much work. Kanina pa mga 5 minutes kami order, guys. But you know, experience naman. New experience. Grabe na good ang pinggan nila, oh. Ganyan dito. Someone's coming, guys. Look at that. That's from us, I think. You see that?
I don't know which one you ordered. There was one I ordered.
Whatever, it's the
This one
same.
is yours, I think.
Si Nata, nag-order din po ako ng para sa kanya. Ngayon, napadating Nata. Wow. I ordered that. Yeah. Salmon. Patty salmon. Look, my love. Wow. Yeah, more fish than rice.
I want to try that one.
Yeah. Patikin ko itong salmon kay Nata.
Please press.
Ano?
点滅しているボタンを押してください。
Please press the
I
blinking
like it,
button.
mahal. Super yummy, my love. Very fatty. Yeah, sushi, eh?
Please press the blinking button.
No, thank you. Wala silang lalagyan ng tuyo, guys. Dapat na labanan.
Please press the
Opo,
blinking
magkakot.
button.
Wait lang, ha?
Please
That's for Nathan. With tempura. Look at that. Tulungan ka ni Mama.
Take it out.
Yes. Tikman mo muna to. That is sushi. Yeah? Baby love, take, may try. Gusto mo yung salmon. Oh, kay Papa ito. Papa for you. Nathan doesn't want. Oh, for Nathan. Lumpia. Hot pa yan masyado. Hot pa. Wait lang.
Not only did I like the experience of the other one more, I also like the sushi more.
Yeah. Masarap doon. Kinainan. Nadaanan lang kasi namin yun. Ito trending siya ba? Nakain niya ng kanyang lumpia. Pero okay siya. Okay lang din. Letter? Can you try, mahal? What's inside, my love? Of the lumpia of Nathan. Soup is coming. Oh, miso soup. Mahal, we half, my love. Look, shell, guys. Try. Yummy, miso.
Of course, show.
Thank you. Nag-order pa ako ng masusi para kay Nathan. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung tempura. Ayun niya kasi ng may sauce. Tapos may sauce na teriyaki. For Nathan. And one for Papa. May labo, this one for you.
Thank you.
For Nathan. Look. Salmon yan siya, guys, na grilled. Thank you. Dali na dito. This one for you. Oh, tulungan ka ni Mama. Grabe ka taga. Yeah. What? No, this is salmon. Pati salmon.
Something coming for you.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay na, si Nathan nakakain ako siya. Ako nang magbanat-banat ngayon. Mahal sila dito. Mahal.
Please press the blinking button. Please press the blinking button.
Lahat ng tuna dito, guys. Wala pa lang
Please
sa
press
lansa.
the blinking
Kahit
button.
kunti. You want to try in the chili oil? One for you, one for me. Grabe ang order ni Daniel. Yung patty. Yung grilled patty salmon. Akin naman, hindi na siya grilled. Gusto ko i-try yung hindi.
Try the chili.
Like, can you ask for wasabi? Wasabi?
Wasabi is also 19 stuff. So what is this? I don't know what this is. Yeah, this wasabi. We get to try one?
Huh? Yeah, one for you, one for me. With the chili oil. Chili flakes.
Or you want chili oil and wasabi
Yeah.
at the same time?
Like it. Good. Last na to. Arigatou gozaimasu. Dito naman, guys, may palibre po tayong hot water. Is this just hot water, mahal, or tea? Ay, yeah, hot water. Why would you want hot water? Turn lever and hot water will be poured. Oh, sakura jelly for dessert.
You want to try or you think this egg?
It has egg, I think. Can you let Nathan try, my love? Nathan, sakura jelly.
Sakura jelly?
Lekker of niet? Lekker?
Meer?
Nagustuhan niya. Wow. Okay. Tara na. Villa Plaza? Opo, magwiwi tayo doon sa Don Quixote. We're going to Don Quixote. Para siyang ano ba? No Plaza, okay. Hindi ka siya mag-ihi. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? Wow. Look at that, guys. That way? Malapit lang dito. Only 1 minute from here. Bili tayo ng mga pasalubong ba? Anong mabili natin doon? Gusto ko po i-try mamaya sa Akihabara pag uwi natin doon. Yung, ano tawag dyan? Yung beef tang. Japan. Bye-bye. Shibuya Mega Don Quixote. Oh, let's see. Trending din sa TikTok. Look at the lighting, guys. Maka-bad trip. Wow. Il, mahal? Hala, that's il daw, guys. Oh. Wow. Wow. Can you carry Nathan, mahal, so he can really see my love? Il daw yan, guys. Even bigger? Where? Oh, hello, yeah. Super big. Good, Ana. Uy, that's eel, guys. It's my first time to, look at the eel. Let's go. Don Quixote. Just look. Here. Mga skincare daw. Maganda daw dito, guys. What is where? Ang pinunta ko po dito sa Don Quixote ay ito. Trending sa TikTok, guys. Ito ba yun? Yes, kasi ang sabi nila, guys, isang lagay mo lang nito, magputi na agad ang mukha mo. Ito na ba yun? Ay, hindi ito. Gusto ko yung isang mask. Maganda din daw baya ang beauty products ng guys, ng Japanese. Ito. I-try natin ito. Bangs Reset Powder. Ay! Another popular in Japan, guys. Look at that. Kadami naman nilang pag ano ng bangs dito. Meron ba silang pag ganito na ang ayos ng bangs. Ito yung sinasabi. Bili tayo ng marami, guys. Kaya wala ito sa Netherlands. Bahala si Daniel dyan sa mga car niya. Ako ito lang talaga. Isa na lang. Last na lang talaga ang hinahanap ko ay yung po siya, sunscreen protection, pero hindi siya pinapahid. Spray siya kay para yung nga tayo mag-retouch ba ng sunscreen, hindi na maganyan-ganyan, no. Hanap ko na din. Nakita ko dito sa TikTok. Grabe, puro na tayo TikTok ba. Pang spray ng bangs, guys. Pero hindi ako sure pinatanggal. Mahal. I'm not allowed to bring this because you said that they took the spray, right?
Yeah.
Not allowed? Kasi yung last time, kinuha yung deodorant ni Daniel bago pa masyado. Not allowed?
Cebu Airlines will take this. What they told me.
Isa na lang talaga, guys. Nahanap ko na yung ito yung hinanap natin. Pero ngayon, yung hair mask. Saan natin mahalapit? Wala man, uy. Pabayaran na natin to kay Daniel. Sana yung mister ko. My love. Mahal, oh. Can you pay, mahal? Thank you. Yeah, this is also sake. Dala natin sila mamang ng Japanese sake, guys.
Then there's that one.
Yeah, just this one. Look at the bottle, guys, with Mount Fuji, guys. Tag 20,000 yen. Kuyawa, uy. May mga bag na naman dito, guys. Pero mamahal din man. Tuko-tuko, cute. Nauna na po kami lumabas ni Nathan. Si Daniel nagbayad pa. Ay, uwi na tayo, guys. Kain na lang ako ng beef tang. Ano naman dahil itong itsura natin dito. Basta importante, nakabili tayo ng mask. Mag-lighten lang o hindi magputi agad. Mag-lighten daw. Isang gamit pa lang mag-lighten ang mukha mo. Sige na, ipasok ng ulo mo. Hello! And sa kabila, sa color blue. Dali. Sa kabila, sa color blue. Dito, sa kabila. Is the house? Oh, Dobby? Pwede ba yan ma-open? Bumili na naman siya ng bag doon sa mga machine-machine. Pakita mo sa kanila ang bag mo. Oh. Kaliwaan dito ang kanta-kanta, oh. Kahit nata nagsadance. Nang mahinlap ako sa iyo, kalakoy pag-ibig mo ay tunay pero hindi nagtagal. Mas tinatunay mo kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas, laging mimintas. Guys, oh, tingnan nyo na to guys. Oh, ang ating Shibuya Crossing. Uwi na tayo bukas. Salamat Japan. Salamat sa'yo. It was nice and beautiful. We are back here guys. We are back in Akihabara. Yodobashi Akiba. Pa-close na tong mga stores dito. What time is it, my love? Or not? Parang 11 to sila nagpo-close eh.
9:35.
Oh.
Why?
Nothing. Where's
Go to Yodobashi Akiba.
my beef tang? Tang beef.
The other way. Not here. You need to walk back.
Malayo naman masyado. Uy. Maybe we can sit in front of our hotel, mahal. Pasok tayo ng 7-Eleven bago mag-uwi, guys.
7-Eleven.
Opo. Magpasok sana kami dito. Gusto ko talaga i-try yung mga pulutan nila dyan, oh. Na. Oh, 24 hours to sila dito. Umaga pa lang, guys. May tao na. Alas 7 ng umaga. Nakauwi na tayo, everyone. Oh, sakit na naman ang likod ko. Lala, pangor. Maglagay na naman tayo nito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maganda. Ginagamit ko ngayon, mawala talaga ang sakit. Kasi papaya, oy. Ito yung mga napamili natin kanina sa Uniqlo. Para po to kay Derich. Eh, paborito niyan guys, Uniqlo. Ayan. Look at that. And that one. Look at that. At ito naman sa akin. Look at that. Ay, mag-uho na si Nathan guys. Wait lang guys ha. At kay Derich din po ito.
You want to start with this? You? We're here now. You can relax, ma. Because I notice you are also stressed.
Sige na, show them what you've got.
Well,
Na-stress ako kay niligo
remember,
ko si Nathan.
you told me
Mm.
that I just need to get what is nice.
Mm.
So I got.
Unpacking tayo guys. You got it. Ay, bumili siya ba yung mga maliit? And how many did you
I
buy?
got it.
Okay, 6 and you have this, how many?
9.
So you have 9. What is inside? Like this?
Very good quality, nice looking wind up toys.
Is this Mario?
Like this. No, this is Pikmin.
Ang pigmin. And what else?
And of course,
Mag-impake pa kami ngayon.
oh,
Kaya maaga alis namin bukas. Wow!
this one,
Look,
which
Nathan!
does not fit like this.
Oh, it's not fitting?
No, it's
What is it for? It's just,
you just put it down. But I will. It's nice like this to have on the cabinet. But I will see if I can put it on the Goomba.
And that's all? That's all you got? Ah, of course not. Ah, how many? Ano, mga remote ng Famicom, guys.
Famicom, family computer.
Oh, wow! Upo, kaya di ka nila makita. Upo. Ganyan. Can you put it on? Galing kami ng 7-Eleven. Grabe ang mga treat natin. Tingnan nyo ang pinamili ko. Nakabili po tayo ng whiskey. Para kay Itay. Whiskey. Bumili din po kami ng nagutom ako. Ayun, bumili ako ng rice, oh. Yung rice ng 7-Eleven. Meron po tayong beer para kay Daniel. Bumili din po kami ng soju. Bumili kami ng chips. Meron din po tayong ano to, yung clams, miso clams. I-try natin to ba? Mag-review tayo, guys. 7-Eleven food review. Tingnan nyo. Look! Wow! Lekker! Daniel, nag-init ng chicken liver tapos pork tongue. Nagaling din po sa 7-Eleven. Nag-impake na kami dito. Nathan, mag-init po tayo ng tubig. Nathan. Nathan. Pinoy na masyado ang Pinoy na masyado ang anak ko. Papa. 7-Eleven food review. Ito may itlog.
So, because you chose to get pork tongue with egg, now I need to eat the pork tongue.
Try it, man. Sige daw, man. At saka ito, charcoal grilled chicken.
I am going to need this with the pork tongue.
Papa?
We'll get the chips straks, okay? Cheers, mahal.
Cheers! At bumili din po kami ng chips na seaweed chips.
Okay.
Tinatan kumain ng yogurt bago lang.
Where is the tongue?
Yeah.
Opo.
Opo.
Tongue of baboy.
Masarap ito. Na-try na namin to. Cheers! Oh, I cook or not? Ang kanin.
It's okay. It just tastes like salty meat.
Salted rice ball. At bumili din kami ito.
Those.
Salted something. Salted sausage.
Yeah, it came with sauce.
Huh?
Yes, it's a hot dog. That's just what it is.
Nice.
You eat that one. I have pork tongue.
No, you can also eat it. Maglabas na kami.
It's just a hot dog, man.
Doon sa harap ng...
Where's the sauce for the hot dog? I will use it on the pork tongue.
Yeah. Inumanan kasi yun, guys. Kasi Nathan ba magdadate ng bata doon, di ba? Makahiya din. The rice. I want to try. Ito yung sushi rice nila, nilagyan ng asin.
How the heck do you open this? Well, any idea how you open this?
I don't have any idea, my either.
Yummy.
Lekker. Mahal, nice mahal. Ang atay masarap.
Oh, wait.
Ay, may soup. Not bad, mahal. The rice, my love, nice.
Look. So,
Grabe na trip ito ba? Look at this.
where's that?
Real clams. Really smell like
You got
clams.
clams?
Yeah.
For...
Miso.
Oh.
Miso soup. Can you believe that? Guys? See that?
Did you read the instructions?
No, you just put it like that. So you like the pork tongue or not really? You want it with rice? I have rice. You still have this
What?
sausage.
No, it's for you.
Yung mahal, kumak. Katagal naman mag-init ani. Ang sabaw natin. Not bad ba ito? Ano na talaga siya? Grilled atay. Atay?
No.
You want to try? It's just grilled.
Chicken?
No, not chicken. Grilled atay.
Oh. I don't know. No need to try.
No? You can eat more, my love. Half of this.
No, I'm good.
You want, baby love?
No.
Yo, 7-Eleven. Uy, not bad, mahal. You go there and then you eat this. Oh my gosh. And this one is
You know,
just
this is
a little bit.
definitely good food when you're hubog.
Yeah, and this one, try this. The rice. Not bad. Look.
Did you
Wow.
also show them that or not?
Too big.
And you filmed the big red robot that's clapping and saying stuffs, right?
Not bad.
What? That's clapping above the head and then saying stuffs?
No,
Oh, I thought you filmed it.
I did not.
They have here. They call it the robot employee, saying like, "Ay, yosibati akeba."
Huh?
And then every time you walk past, the robot goes like, "Ay, yotabashi akeba," or whatever it says.
Try this, mahal.
I want one of those, mahal.
Good. Can I bring this? Can I bring this?
Probably not because it contains actual shells.
Try the soup. Ah, grabe guys. Kuyawa 7-Eleven. Uy, believe na ako.
Too hot, Ma. I try it when it's a little bit cold.
Sarap. So guys, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog for today. Thank you so much.
Fine, let me try the atay.
Oh, wow.
It's just atay. Better if you have it with adobo.